Welcome back, everyone. Today on Rob's Random Stuff, gonna do some hickory smoked wings or pecan smoke. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do, but we're gonna do that on the charcoal. Weber Master Touch, of course, new addition to the family. So I'll just tell you basically how we're getting these started. Using base for moistening these up and making my dry rub stick. Great all-purpose sauce, of course. And the ingredient list, here's the mix. But what we're gonna use, just a mix of crushed red pepper, onion, roasted garlic powder, a little bit of ginger, fresh ground salt and pepper. And we've had these sitting in the wing sauce for a good half hour or so. So I just put them in a pot, toss them around, let them sit in the fridge for a while. Basically, just season one side of these up so you guys can see what I do. Those base Franks, or whatever hot sauce you like, will certainly just make everything stick better. Keep them moist for the beginning of the cook. And you know, a lot of this probably gonna fall off anyway when you're flipping them and whatnot. But basically, it's just what they look like. Looking better already with a little rub on there. It's getting more on this guy. I like a good amount of rub. Sometimes I do them dry, just with the rub, but I'm gonna do the hot sauce backer on these, give them a little extra flavor. At the end of the video, of course, we'll toss them in a very spicy sauce. We'll see what we're gonna make up. We'll do that at the end of the video. But I'm gonna season the rest of these up, do the other side, and we'll start to cook in a few minutes. All right, guys, time to cook up these wings. Basically, just gonna put these skin side down in the grill. And I went ahead and really doused these things with extra roasted garlic powder. Really want to give these things some major flavor here. You can see I already got a little bit of leftover pecan and a bunch of, I just changed it to, I'm gonna do hickory instead. So these are gonna look really good on the grill. Already smelling good. I'm gonna finish putting these on the grill and I'll show you what they look like before we close up the lid. All right, so we got all these loaded up, looking good. Try to put the drums, a little thicker ones, a little bit closer to the heat. So they're gonna take a little extra long to cook, and the smaller one towards the back. All right, so our wood's heating up. We're gonna go ahead and close our lid. I got the bottom a quarter of the way open. I'm gonna adjust this down a bit quickly. Really, maybe a quarter of the way. We're gonna try to keep this kind of a slow cook. So we'll give it a 10 or 15 minute check and we'll see how the wings are looking and we'll give them a flip. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. We're gonna see how these are looking. Smoke's been going pretty good. So we still got plenty of wood left. These are looking mighty tasty. So I think since we have fat side down, I think I'm going to leave them fat side down and not even bother to flip them, so they rendered out all that fat and get some nice crispy skin on there. Leave it in a solid about 425 indirect off the heat. So we're gonna let these go for another 20 minutes and we'll give them a check. All right, guys, we're back. Wings on the Master Touch with some hickory wood. Let's see how these go. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes. Really, really looking good. Let's do a quick temperature test with the old ink bird here. Any old temp probe will do, but I do like these instant ones here. I'm gonna go through like a thick, of the bigger wings here. 160. Decently cooked. Let's try one of the smaller ones back here. 180, a little over 180. So yeah, I like to cook wings up to about 200 or so, because there's plenty of fat on the outside protecting them. Get them fall off the bone tender. I'll let that wood continue to smoke, give them additional flavor, and we'll see how we're looking. We'll give them 10 more minutes, they should be good. All right, guys, I think these wings are done here. Weber Master Touch. About to open this up. Just remind you guys to subscribe so you can see all the cooking videos on the new Weber. As we go, we'll get better and better at the cooks, get more experience with it. But let's crack this lid. Hopefully you can see it's a pretty good amount of smoke coming out. I moved a few of these bigger wings up front, real close to the fire. Lid on, of course, so they cook through a little better. But these things definitely got some nice smoky color, good crust. Things are looking real nice. So I'm gonna go in, I'll plate these up off camera and show you what kind of sauce we made, and we'll do a taste test, see how they came out. All right, guys, welcome back. We have a great video going here. Just try to give you a look at a couple of these wings here. Let's see how good they came out. Nice, crispy skin. Smell just like mesquite, which is good. Smells good. So what we did today, we're gonna do for our hot part, we have some sauce here. We won't reveal a name brand. Kind of thought about that. We're not going to do too many more name brand things, but it's got some spice. And also we got ghost pepper sauce. This stuff really hot. It's been featured in a couple of my other videos. We'll just do 6 of these in here with the super hot, because I don't want to ruin the wings. And we got a whole thing over here. I also added a bunch of garlic powder, again the roasted onion powder, black pepper, about a tablespoon or tablespoon and a half of the ghost pepper sauce, and it's been sitting for a couple hours in here. All the flavor should be good. So let's get a bunch of this in there, toss them around. I'm gonna make these nice and thick. The sauce should be pretty hot. Let's get this out of the way. Toss these around so you can see how they look. You can see plenty coated in the sauce. It smells hot. So we'll just start. Let's try plain wing first so we can get the full flavor of just the spices and the smoke. Wow. Super good. You can see the bit of a smoke twinge around there. Super juicy. Hopefully you can see that, but literally just fell off the bone. I was biting it. Really good. Really, really good. That's the first time I used mesquite. It's good. I've been a big fan of pecan and cherry and apple. That's great. All right, let's get this one from the bottom here. You can see that's coated. It's gonna be hot. Now let's see if I can get through 6 of these. Still taste the smoke. Pretty hot. Very good. It's hot. Let's see, wing number 2 coated. You see that juice drip? Let's get that off camera. What we're gonna do now with our ghost pepper sauce, we're gonna kick one of these up. Oh, that's gonna be hot. Hopefully you can see the amount of that ghost sauce on there in the middle. It's coated. This might ruin the wings for me, but I'm gonna try it and see what happens. Immediately, super hot on the lips. Whew. Ooh, that's so hot. No more of that. Wow. All right, guys, let's try to get through another one here. Let's try with a little ranch dressing. Believe me, you think this is gonna help me out with the heat. My mouth is on fire. It's not gonna do anything. Whew. That's almost unbearable heat. That's hot. All right. Whew. Let's try another one. One more. You can see the. Can you see the tears? They're hot. Wow. All right. Like, subscribe. Any questions? Post them. Comments, requests. Can you see the tears? These are hot. Subscribe, Rob's Random Stuff. See you on the next cook.